Alrighty guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at editing rectangles using the Design Central panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys all know that we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and also we have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series working with shapes. I've covered quite a few different elements of it already, and today we're going to be looking at editing rectangles using the Design Central panel here on the right. We'll also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, if for some reason your Design Central is not open, you can always open it by navigating to your standard toolbar, and next to the undo and redo there's a little button there. If you have it, you can see it says Design Central, and the shortcut for that is Control I. So now if I click that, you will see it opens it. Now let's just add a new rectangle. Now by default, if you add a rectangle, right after you've placed it, you'll see we have these options, which is different to if we use a normal mouse and we select it. Then you see we see different options here. Now, just something to keep in mind, you can still navigate and find those settings afterwards if you've deselected and reselected, and that's on this last little tab here, and that's got all the same settings. So now what these settings will do, so first of all we can actually set the width and height of the rectangles, and we can set so you can see there. Then we've got the corner style. So now from this we've got regular, round, inverted and clipped. Regular is just standard, you'll see we cannot adjust it. You can however go inner border store with regular, which we'll cover soon. Then next up we've got rounded. Now if we increase this value, we'll see it starts rounding the corners for us. And then next up here we've got inverted. Now this will do the opposite of round, so it will basically round it to the inside, not to the outside. So we're going to make some interesting shapes with that, or borders. Then we've got clipped. This will basically create like a bevel. So it'll do like a straight cut of the corner. So depending on the style you're going for, you'll play with whichever one. Let's go inverted for now. We add a bit of a invert there, and then what you can do is use the inner border. If you click that, you will see it makes basically like almost a form of stroke, but the inside is also bordered, and this is still a shape, so it's not an actual stroke. You can increase and decrease the width over here, or the broadness of it. And then yeah, and like I mentioned, you get it any time. Then if you want to change that, select your shape, just go to the third tab on your Design Central panel and then change that. Otherwise, that is it on editing rectangles using Design Central. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you ever do not find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.